Today we'll guide you through the process of closing your account on Etsy. If you've decided to part ways with the platform, we'll help you do so securely. Let's begin. Step 1. Sign into your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to close your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate your account settings, and you can typically find this by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, selecting account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to privacy settings. Within your account settings, look for the privacy settings or privacy and security option. Click on it to access the page where you can manage your account privacy and security. Step 4. Close your account. On the privacy settings page, you'll find the option to close your account. Look for the close account or close your Etsy account link. Step 5. Confirm closure. Etsy will provide you with information about what closing your account entails, including the fact that it's irreversible and you won't be able to reopen it. Read through this information carefully. Step 6. Provide feedback. Etsy may give you the opportunity to provide feedback about why you're closing your account. This step is optional, but your feedback can be valuable to Etsy in improving their platform. Step 7. Close your account. If you're sure you want to proceed, follow the prompts to find or to confirm the closure of your account. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Step 8. Receive confirmation. After successfully closing your account, Etsy will usually provide you with confirmation that the process is complete. You may also receive a confirmation email. And that's it. You've successfully closed your account on Etsy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Etsy's support team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.